just replacing the cable on this Honda mower, and you can see once you get the cable into the mower, you have to put on this clip. Well, it's actually really hard to remove that clip from the mower, and I'll show you what I've done. That's the clip right there, and you can see it's very hard to take that off. So all I did was I took my angle grinder with a diamond blade on there and just ground it off, and now I can reach in there and remove it like that. So there's the old one. And that's an easy way to change a cable on a Honda mower. I've got the new cable in position and the cable stay on. Really hard to get that piece on there. Super tight fit too, and super awkward position to work on. What I did was I would hold my needle nose on the top flush and just hold it to the metal flush, and then I grabbed my lockjaw or slip lock pliers, and I would grab it from the side to the back of the cable right there, and then I'd squeeze, holding the top flat to the metal like that, and squeezing with these pliers. That seemed to work, and if anybody's got an easier or better method than that, let me know. I couldn't get anything over top of that cable like a socket or anything, because this bracket's in the way right there to hit it square, so that was impossible, and it's a pretty tight area to work on. So that is how I replaced that cable and got it back into position. And by the way, this is a Honda HRB215. Okay.